And they are off. And here they go. Bye. There they go again. Our second attempt at getting our boat home. Okay, the guys should be pulling under that bridge here real soon. They have been out there on the water for about 7 hours, maybe 8 hours today. Long time on the water. Had their share of problems. Just like on Saturday, we tried to get it home and had some issues with water overheating. It turned out to be a belt that had just been replaced, and it was not tightened up enough. So we stored it in a marina for a couple nights where it was, brought into. My husband drove it in there on one engine. And, oh, I think that's it right there, coming under the bridge. Yep, there they are. And on this trip, they hit some pretty windy weather out there. I know that much from my phone calls with them. But they got through all that. And then the steering fluid started leaking. So he's got some really bad steering issues. We just need to get this baby home so we can get it all fixed up. So glad they're making it home safely. Isn't she a pretty boat? Oh, I'm so excited. We have to think of a name for her. We haven't come up with one we agree on yet. Yay!
Yay!
And she has arrived. She is tied up. She's a mess. A dirty, dirty mess. But the important thing is she's home. And I think we're going to call her Therapy. See you next time.